The Imfolomane essential.
We all deserve better. We all deserve better. We all deserve better. We all deserve better.
Let me tell you about my life, my plans and my visions. I now realize I have to make my own decisions. Ngiyamfuna loyo R, ne-6 yama digits. Nami ngifuna ukupusha u-R, ne-6 ezinye insimbi. Nami ngifuna ukushaya siphelele, ngibenzele nomcimbi. Let me cut the story short. I started hustling when I dropped my umbilical cord. Now I'm stuck in this corner. Ngizama ukuhlanganisa khona kuzokungeke kuphume kona. Hope the Lord will provide. Hope all day we'll see the sign of hope. That sun's gonna shine. We're gonna celebrate and sit down and sip that wine. Noma ikoloto sezingitaka induni. Sengisaba ukudlula eduze kamashonisa ngaze ngifake induku.
All deserve better. We all deserve better. We all deserve better. We all deserve better.
We all born the same, we're growing up in different directions. We using connections, you ain't connected, you ain't getting promotions. No matter how hard you work, they still step you on your back. Some niggas say that you the best, some niggas say that you work. Some niggas bragging on your back until they're getting on your neck. You start following them up, they look on you as a badass, as a stone cold nigga who don't think for someone else. Nala madoda poshozaya, anagazethi indaba nemilomo ekopozaya. So one tells ukoqinzwana yohamba yolusa kwelizayo, fucking ndoda ekopozaya. Okay bengekho lapho, bengisesibonakaliswene ngisibone ngobuhle bakho.
We all deserve better. We all deserve better. We all deserve better. We all deserve better. We struggle too much. Now it's about time. Make it to the top. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If we stay together, if we work together, if we work together, oh yeah, oh yeah. We're gonna be alright. We're gonna be alright. We're gonna be alright. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All deserve better. We all deserve better. We all deserve better. We all deserve better.
When I'm asleep, I see the promised land. Even though sometimes things I do are getting out of hand, I'm always praying out of faith. Lord, I know I'm not a saint. Please forgive me in advance, cause I know I'll sin again. They say that nobody's perfect. How I wonder how someone calls somebody a pervert who deserves to be faggot. Let's forget about the hate and start on a new page before it's too late. And think of our forefathers who fought for the better today. We're better today, better than yesterday. We get worse on the next day like betting numbers. They pay less today, better tomorrow, worse on the following day. They changing colors.